Batch 7-4 Bravo confirmed. Moisture 12.5, protein 14%.
QR scan complete. Authenticity verified. Lot confirmed, fresh.
The analyzer is showing 12.8% protein for this sample.
Excellent, that meets the specification. Ensure the timestamp is verified when you log it.
Make sure the batch codes match the delivery manifest.
Yes, I double-checked the salt and the barley flour.
The temperature is holding steady at 4.5 degrees.
And the pH on the wheat strain?
Slightly acidic, right where we need it. I'll log the activity. Check the moisture levels on this flax batch.
Looks good, but let's reconfirm the allergen seal.
The protein level is holding steady at 13.2%.
Good, well within the 12 to 14 standard. I'll log the data now.
Excellent activity. The pH is spot on at 4.0, ready for the next stage.
By maintaining 24 degrees Celsius and precise measurements, we ensure the vigorous activation of the natural yeast.
Batch 7B scanned. Temperature and pH stable.
Confirmed for line 3. Proceed to airlock.
Confirm the salt is in.
We keep it slow, allowing the gluten to gently stretch. See the shaggy texture transforming into a cohesive mass.
The gluten development is coming along nicely. It's cohesive, but still rough.
24 degrees Celsius, we're ready for the transition.
It's hitting the mark right on schedule.
Temperature is stable at 25.
Ready for stretch and fold.
Keep those hands wet to maintain hydration.
All right, 30 seconds on this batch now.
For higher volume production while maintaining artisan quality,
Set the timer for 15 minutes on the sourdough. Got it. Baskets are ready over here. Watch the tension right here on the seam.
Yes, chef. I'll tighten that up.
The critical technique involves pulling the dough's outer membrane taut while maintaining sealed seams underneath. The baker rotates it against the surface.
The basket's shape acts as a mold, encouraging the dough to maintain its form. As it expands, the gentle pressure
The identification tags ensure a strict first-in, first-out system, crucial for maintaining continuous production flow.
That's the perfect spring back, ready to bake.
Celsius. Temperature confirmed across the deck.
all right, everyone, ovens are green. Bring the proof loaves over to the scoring tables.
The scores aren't purely aesthetic. They're functional engineering controlling steam escape and expansion direction.
As internal steam pressure builds, the dough expands. Scoring creates intentional weak points, resulting in controlled.
Look at that rise.
The expansion is strong and the grenier is opening beautifully.
As steam dissipates from the oven chamber, crust formation accelerates. The loaves' surfaces transform from pale.
The crust achieves a perfect golden brown to mahogany color with a slight sheen from caramelized sugars.
While the crust browns and crisps externally, the bread's interior undergo an equally important transformation.
As the loaf cools, critical moisture redistribution occurs within the bread. Moisture from the interior migrates outward toward the crust.
The gluten development here is excellent. See the large air pockets and the thin, translucent cell walls. This is exactly what we want.
Structure is sound. Let's verify dimensions.
Calipers show it's perfect. This batch is approved.
We're getting backed up on the sourdough line. Pick up the pace.
Yes, sir. Adjusting the flow now.
Count looks correct for this row. Mark it as verified.
All right, moving this pallet to the line now.
Did you scan the last 2 crates for the cafe?
Yes, they're showing us loaded. Everything looks correct for this run.
You can feel the tension in the gluten right here. That's how you know it's properly proofed.
I see what you mean.
This pallet is ready for route 5.
Bring the next one up quickly. We're running behind.
See the elasticity. That's how you know it's ready for the final proof.
Ah, I see. Thank you, chef.
Manifest confirms 40 crates for Route 3.
Thermal wrapping is complete, ready for loading. The bakery integrates technology, enhancing consistency and efficiency. This doesn't replace artisan craft. Maintaining an immaculate facility is key to our food safety commitment. As you can see, steel